I was able to achieve my goals, grow my business, and make more money without the constant hustle, grind, and burnout, just by tapping into AI the right way. Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm talking about how I use AI to create my dream life as my second brain and personal assistant to come up with ideas, actually do the work for me, and triple my income. I'll be the first to admit that originally I wasn't the biggest fan of AI. As an immigrant, I'm originally from Zimbabwe. I grew up with hustle mentality that you need to work hard in order for you to be successful. That came with always wanting to be in the driver's seat, being in control, and not being able to ask for help. And if I wanted something done correctly, I had to do it myself, and also nobody was coming to save me, so I just had to get on with it on my own. But after my mom passing away, having a baby, and being put in a situation where I had no control whatsoever, this was actually the start of my femininity journey. So by the time I was now taking social media seriously and starting my business, I was in receiving mode. I was allowing people to help me. I was asking for help. So this mindset shift helped me to realize how helpful AI could be, how it was the perfect masculine tool to live a feminine lifestyle. I've managed to get to a point where I've been able to combine AI and feminine intuition to make my life easier, happier, and more productive. It doesn't mean that you're weak. It doesn't mean that you're not clever enough. It doesn't mean that you're cheating. Same as if you have a personal trainer, a cleaner, a hairdresser, anything where somebody is doing something for you, whether you're paying for it or not. The first way I use AI to create my dream life is something I like to call taking the leap. I'm a visionary, I'm a Pisces, so I have a lot of ideas or dreams of things that I want to do and accomplish, but I never used to follow through on them because I didn't know exactly what to focus on, where to start, how to do it, or I was just overwhelmed with the work that it was going to take. So I started using ChatGPT as a brain dump for all my ideas of the digital products I wanted to create, the content I wanted to create, the services that I wanted to offer, test out the concept of my ideas. That is it something that's been done before? Is there a gap in the market for my idea? And what are the specific challenges that my target audience or ideal client are facing? ChatGPT then scrubs up every single part of the internet to find this information for me from social media, Reddit, blogs, Amazon, Shopify, which means that I don't have to spend hours and hours researching and trying to identify if this specific idea is even worth pursuing. So AI will do 80% of the masculine work for you, and you do 20% of the feminine creative work. This then allows you to take the leap because now you know where to start, exactly what you need to do, and how to make yourself stand out. However, this doesn't mean that every idea has to go through AI. There are countless things that I do based on my intuition. So it's important that you don't dim your own light, or you don't start doubting yourself and doubting your intuition. It's in moments where you're unsure or you need more clarity, then there's no point wasting time trying to figure it out on your own when you can just lean on AI. The next way I use AI to create my dream life was by actually creating a product or service. There are times where I know what I want to create, I know what information I want to include, but sometimes I might not know how to structure it because I've never done something like that before. For example, I'm going to be launching a group program very soon, which I've never done before. I've done one-to-one, I've done workshops, webinars, digital products. So I gave ChatGPT the exact and specific prompt of what I wanted to create, what information was going to be included, how long the group program was going to be for, how it was actually going to help the people who were going to be a part of it, then asked it to structure it in a group program format, the overall design that was specific to my personal brand and aesthetic, and all the tech and heavy lifting so I could focus on the content and actually delivering the group program. And this is where combining AI and intuition comes into play, because the idea is not heavily relying on AI right? Because at the end of the day, you are the heart and soul of your goals, your business, your dreams. So not only do you have to be involved in the process, but your essence and vibe and what makes you unique has to be reflected in whatever you're creating. A lot of people talk about starting your business, creating your product or service, and using social media to attract your ideal customer or client. But not a lot of people talk about how to make them say, yes, I need this, and for them to buy immediately. I remember when I started my business and I'd done the challenging part of creating my products and services, creating the website and creating the content to attract my ideal customers and clients. And then it was crickets. There was no sales coming in. No one was buying anything from me. So I fed ChatGPT with some of my sales pages, my emails, and my content to figure out why no one was buying from me. And I received a very brutally honest breakdown of all the things I was missing out, the structure or lack thereof of my work, and unnecessary information I was adding. So I would tweak it, receive feedback until I came up with my own sales psychology formula of how to generate sales, communicate with them in a way that instinctively made them aware that my products and services would solve their problems. So again, my content, emails, and landing pages would have done majority of the work when it came to people buying things from me. Next, where I use AI to create my dream life is by creating a hands-free system. There are things that I do in my life, in my business, that are very repetitive, like sending emails, writing captions, my YouTube description. So once I go through my brain dumping and actually figure out what works, I create a template for that specific task. For example, my YouTube description template is exactly the same. I just amend it slightly to make it specific to a specific video. I even do the same for my educational carol post, where the design is the same aesthetic, fonts and colors. The format and the word placement is the same, and all I have to do is just change the pictures and the words. So all you have to do is look at your workload and what's taken up most of your time, and use your personal assistant AI to either do the work for you, automate it, or simplify it by creating a template. The message here is you don't have to hustle and grind until you burn out in order for you to create your dream life. You can use AI as a masculine tool to do 80% of the heavy lifting, and you just do 20% of the feminine creative work. Like this video if you want to see more videos on femininity and abundance. Subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you're notified every single time that I upload a video, and I will see you in the next video. Mwah. Bye lovelies.